Dylan Thompson Chase Motorsports Coach and Trailer Sales in beautiful Paducah, Kentucky. Oh, glory flying down there. Nice weather today in the KY, but I'm not going to jinx it. As soon as I tell you that, it'll be hot and humid again. 2020 Sundowner, all aluminum, 53-foot trailer. It's called the Extra Series Transporter. I don't know if you're familiar with Sundowner brand. They do make some like cargo trailers and closed trailers like this, but their big thing was the horse market. That was a big part of what they still do, but very good quality. Again, all aluminum and lots of aluminum. Really nice job, construction, craftsmanship all the way around. 53-foot overall length. This trailer has rampovers in it. Now, they could be removed very easily. The previous owner used the trailer to haul a pair of dirt late model stock cars, so he needed the rampovers to get the cars, up and over the fender wells. It has an LG mini split AC with a built-in heat pump. You can see the condenser up there on the front. And it has an Onan gas-powered generator. We put in the listing 7,000. I think it's either a 5,500 or 6, but either way, plenty of power to run the AC, run everything you need to. It does have a 50-amp service. You can see the shore power cord is connected to it there, and it also has the hydraulic landing gear. You can see the switch for trailer up or down, and the landing gears there on the ground. Hey, Zach, open up... or show them a picture of what this compartment looks like open up on the front. I think it's just got your manual landing gear because it has manual on the left and right side, and then the jack there in the center. Maybe the battery's in there too. Pretty nice condition. For use, there's not a lot of damage, a few little dents here or there, but it does have the upgraded extra marker lights about every 3 or 4 foot. It has one of the button-style marker lights on the top roof rail and the bottom. 17.5-inch Alcoa aluminum wheels. Check the tires. They all look nice and clean on it. Has the LED reverse lights back here. Extruded aluminum rear doors. So aluminum door, you can just tell by, obviously aluminum's never going to rust, but just the quality of the welds on this thing, very impressive. So it has the extruded aluminum door with the aluminum beaver tail little flap here on the back. Give you a little view of the interior. Again, 36 foot, I think 10 inches of rampovers, and there's like 38 inches between them. So enough room to put a small ATV or your pit cart or dirt bikes or pit bikes or whatever. And first question we'll probably get is, are the rampovers removable? And the answer is yes. They could be removed if you just wanted, normal floor space in there. It does come with a couple sets of tire racks already installed, and then the brackets for the rest of them to literally run tire racks kind of all the way down the passenger side of the trailer are included. So we've got those. We took them out. They're actually sitting over there in front of the shop. So those will go with it. 94-inch rear door opening width. So it's a common question we'll get is how wide is the rear door opening? It's 94 inches. And then the height is 87, I believe. So that's measuring, from down here on the rear door to the opening. So 87 inches tall, 94 inches wide. It is a smooth side trailer. Again, 17.5-inch Alcoa wheels, triple 8,000-pound torsion axles. So triple 8,000s on it. Has the little aluminum slide out deal with the expanded metal on top for the steps, so that's easy to put back in when you're ready to load up and go. Black aluminum cabinets, so you can see you have a nice toolbox, kind of an L-shaped countertop with an overhead set of cabinets there, and then lots of storage up here above the gooseneck part. So the big box there is obviously where the generator's at. Looks like he had some pit posse fuel jug, the aluminum fuel jug holder over there, your breaker panel, and everything's here with the generator remote start panel and a fuel gauge. The LG AC with a built-in heat pump, more cabinets. It does have the taller height too. So I don't know if the video here is really giving it a reference, but super tall interior in it. One of the big stand-up cabinets to put your driving suit and stuff like that in. Some HRP accessories. there. That was probably his gear rack, I'm going to assume, where he put his gears. And all of the rampovers have storage under them. So you lift these up, and you can see the quality of everything in this is really good. It does have the carpet on the lower part of the walls, comes up about probably 36 to 40 inches. And over here on the driver's side, it has a 5,000-pound come-up brand winch, which has a wireless remote and a synthetic rope on it. So wireless remote for the winch and the synthetic rope. And again, all the rampovers literally from where it kind of, the angle breaks and you start pulling up in here, it's all storage underneath. So really, really nice. Some nice D-rings in the floor to tie everything down. Rubber coin floor. Again, the aluminum tie racks can be removed if you didn't need them. He, obviously only needed a couple and took the rest out. Silver walls, silver ceiling with black trim and black cabinets. Really nice looking. Some more HRP rack and accessories over there. Yeah, so chasecoach.com for all the photos. Again, 2020 model Sundowner 53-foot trailer. All aluminum. Look up Sundowner. It's kind of, I'm going to put them in the same caliber on like an enclosed trailer like this to Featherlight. Okay, very, very, very nice quality, heavy duty, really, really well built. So chasecoach.com for all the pictures. We do offer nationwide delivery. We've got some good financing options and trades accepted too. So let us know if we can help you. And yeah, appreciate you tuning in. Hit the subscribe button too. I forgot to mention that earlier, but we appreciate each and every one of you. If you're already a subscriber of the channel, kudos. If you're not, we'd love to have you. All right, have a great rest of your day. Thank you for tuning in. And a friendly reminder, be good to people. The sun's shining. It's a good day, okay? All right, have a good one. Till next time.